This little video is about calculating the required values in this voltage divider here. So I've got a 9 volt supply and I want or I need a voltage to be 3.2 volts. I need to start designing somewhere. I've got two unknown values of resistors, so I'm going to just decide that one of these is going to be a 1 kilo ohm resistor. Now, in terms of our calculations, that 1K resistor is known as R2, the one on the bottom. The one on the top is known as R1. Okay, so having got R1 and R2, having got R2, we need to now calculate R1. We need to understand that the voltage, this is a voltage divider, and the voltages are dropped from one point to the other. So at the moment, from 0 volts up to this point, we have 3.2 volts is dropped across that 1K resistor. Now, because the voltages have to add up to the supply voltage, the remaining voltage has to be dropped across there. So 9 volts take away the 3.2 would be 5.8 volts. Again, in terms of calculations, it's important to understand that this one at the top is known as V1 and this one at the bottom is known as V2. So we can then go on and do our calculation. Our calculation would look something like V1 over V2 is equal to R1 over R2. If I substitute in the numbers now, V1 is 5.8 divided by my 3.2 equals R1 at the moment is unknown, divided by 1000 ohms. I can then cross multiply, so 1000 times 5.8 is going to be 5800 is equal to, cross multiply, 3.2 R1. To find R1, obviously I divide 5800 by 3.2, so R1 would have to be a value of 1812.5 ohms.